In this video, I will show you how to add a yes or no drop-down list in Excel. To add yes or no options in MS Excel, we can utilize the data validation feature to create a drop-down list. Highlight the range of cells where you want to include the yes or no options. Go to the Data tab on the ribbon. In the Data Tools group, click on Data Validation. In the Data Validation dialog box, under the Settings tab, select List from the Allow drop-down menu. In the Source field, type Yes, No to define your options. Check the boxes for Ignore Blank and In-Cell drop-down to enhance usability. Click OK to apply your settings. Now, when you click on any of the selected cells, a drop-down arrow will appear, allowing users to choose between yes and no. By following these steps, you can effectively manage data entry in Excel and ensure that only valid responses are recorded.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.